when you eat the desserts here from Sante, you are guilt free. I can't count how many times I've seen Sholay. Now I'm more of my mom with a lot of things in life, with my lifestyle and my habits. The conversation disturbs my eating. I can't count how many times I've seen Sholay.
Hi, I'm Mark Manuel for Peeping Moon, and I am sitting besides the fit and fabulous Isha Deol.
Yes.
Isha, you have just assumed brand ambassadorship of this fabulous restaurant called Sante Spa Cuisine.
Yes.
Before I talk to you about Sante, tell me, when you go dining and somebody is sitting across you and the food is laid out like this, do they get any eating done, or they're so busy looking at you?
That's why I step out limitedly and choose the places I go to where I can comfortably sit and binge eat.
Okay.
And this happens to be one of them. And my association with them as a brand ambassador starts on a very authentic level because I enjoy the food that is on their menu, the food they make, the ingredients they use, gluten free,
Yeah.
and the way they support the Made in India movement.
Yeah.
And if you see, everything is healthy on this table. Even the pizza is a healthy pizza. And I am very, very for, I support, I sort of endorse, and I vouch by what you put in your system is what will help you
Come on.
in the
Okay.
long run.
I get it that your dietary preferences are very balanced. While you're very careful what you eat, you also have cheat days.
Yes.
So how much does the cuisine of this chain of beautiful restaurants resonate with what you do?
It's got, I think, everything on the menu, literally. And the way they sort of tweak the Indian, the essence of our country, with the grains that you get. For example, it was just on the table, I don't know where it's gone. They have a moong dal hummus. That's like, normally we have moong dal with roti or rice, but here they have a moong dal hummus. So it's so cool. I mean, it's a different way of enjoying your moong dal, and it's protein. And come back to your question.
Come back to my question. I asked you are very balanced in what you eat.
Yeah.
You're very careful about what you eat, but you also have cheat days.
Yeah. See, I look at my food as something that it's literally food to my soul. And I'm someone who likes eating. Actually, I enjoy eating by myself. I know, because it's literally like me and the food, and I sort of like to be in that moment and enjoy every bite and the taste and everything. And yes, I do enjoy eating with friends and all, but the conversation disturbs my eating.
Okay.
Let me put it that way. When it comes to my daughters, we three are pretty much the same. They are also foodies and they love food. And, they are the kind who would, I'm saying they are the next generation. They are the future of our country, that, the youngsters. And them enjoying this food is, I think, the best way forward, because more and more people, more and more of the youth is actually enjoying and choosing this food.
I understand they have a very wide range and a very rich range of desserts. Would you feel guilty about having them?
Oh, yeah, cheat day. I never answered that. You know why I'm not answering that?
Why?
Because I don't look at it as a cheat day. I look at it as a day with full right, where I can enjoy eating all that.
An entitlement.
It's like, because, it's like a prize you give yourself. So, and you don't cheat and win anything. So that's why maybe I was just not answering your question.
But I came back to it.
But I think it's more than a cheat day. I would say it's a day of rewarding yourself.
Yeah.
And when you eat the desserts here from Sante, you are guilt free, because I am a buff for tiramisu. I adore it. I mean, that's like my dessert. And the one they've made here is
Divine.
just divine and so tasty and so guilt-free.
Okay. Now, I have dined with both your parents.
Oh, lovely.
And I want to know where your taste buds come from. See, your father comes from a land. I've had these thick brass glasses of lassi with him, and your mother offered me filter coffee. Which side would you lean to?
I would say in my 20s, I was more of dad and his life choices and lifestyle choices. Now I'm more of my mom with a lot of things in life, with my lifestyle and my habits. So I've played the balance. I'm playing the balance well.
You're playing the balance.
Yeah,
well.
I think every 20 years I'll switch.
I must ask you a question related to films because tomorrow is the day, and it's 50 years of Sholay.
Oh, wonderful.
And your parents have been an iconic couple of the screen.
Yes.
You know, how many times have you seen Sholay, and who do you prefer better in that, your dad or mom?
No. You see, I can't count how many times I've seen Sholay because I've lost count of how many times I've seen it while growing up. Now I watch it with my daughters. I can't choose any character in Sholay. And I'm using the word character because they all were stars in their peak, all are stars. But they played that, they dedicated themselves to those characters. That's why every character in that film stands out. You know, I can't pick and choose, but their chemistry, everyone's, you know, no doubt it is a masterpiece, and it's amazing that it's completing 50 years tomorrow. And Ramesh Sippy ji, I would say salute to him because he was, you know, the captain of that ship, and many more hit films he has done. So I would say always for any film that is done well, the director must get the credit because he is the leader of the entire ship. And yes.
One last question. How would you dispel this myth that food like what Sante offers, you know, people find it, they say it's not interesting. If it's health food, it's like a medicine. We don't want to eat this. If it's holistic food, it's not. We'd rather go to a greasy spoon and eat something there.
Do those people still exist?
Yeah, a lot of people
Send them
do.
to me.
I want
Please,
to know
I thought they don't exist anymore.
What will you tell them?
And that our country has actually
evolved,
and I see it evolve. It has evolved since especially the early 2000s when I was aware of things. But if they still exist, then let them come and dine with me. Please come.
What will you tell them? If I were to ask you three things.
I don't think we need to tell them anything. I think we just need to tell them one thing: come hungry, and just give them the food, and I think they'll be satisfied human beings going back home. Hai na?
Thank you so much, and good luck with Sante Spark.
Yes, thank you so much, and lovely meeting you again after a long time.
After a long time.
Yes.